Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the new partial payment integration between Releasit COD form and Releasit COD fee and partial pay. With this feature, your customers will be able to pay a deposit before completing checkout directly from your COD form. And if you want to take the experience one step further, you can also hide the cash on delivery button from your form, a great option for those who want their customers to only see the payment options configured through the partial payment. This is how it will look on your store's checkout once it's enabled. When the customer finishes filling out the form, a pop-up will appear where they can choose their preferred payment option. Now I'm going to show you how to set everything up. First, open the Releasit COD fee and partial pay app. Once inside the app, go to the partial payment section. Now we need to make sure the app embed is enabled in your theme. Go to your Shopify admin and open Theme Settings. Then click on App Embeds and enable the Releasit COD fee and partial pay app embed. This step is mandatory for the pop-up to work correctly. If the app embed is not enabled, the partial payment pop-up will not appear in your store. After enabling the app embed, go back to the app and make sure the partial payment toggle is turned on. Now let's move on to the second app. Open Releasit COD form. Go to Fraud Prevention and then click on Partial Payment. There you will find the option that says, Enable the partial payment integration with Releasit COD fee. Turn this option on. Once you enable it, you will see a status message. If the message appears in green, it means the Shopify checkout button, Pay by Card, is visible in your form, and the integration is ready. If the message appears in red, it means the Shopify checkout button, Pay by Card, is not currently visible in your form. If you see the red message, don't worry. Go to Form Designer, add the Shopify checkout button to your form, save your changes, and then go back to Fraud Prevention to confirm that the message changes to green. When the message is green, your integration will be fully set up and ready to use. Now, once the integration is active, you may want to hide the Cash on Delivery button from your form. This is useful if you prefer that your customers only see the payment options through the partial payment pop-up, without the ability to directly select cash on delivery. To do this, go to Form Designer inside Releasit COD form. There you will find the Cash on Delivery button. Simply hide it or remove it from your form and save your changes. That's it. Your customers will now only see the payment options configured in your partial payment integration. And that's all. Your partial payment integration is now active and running, with the ability to customize exactly which payment options you show your customers.